I'm recording this on the last day of January 2023, and I think it has been the month where most people used ChatGPT for the first time in their lives. If there is a theme for January 2023, it would be the rise of AI tools. So maybe you asked it for a meaning of a song, or maybe you just tried to have like a regular conversation with it to see how authentic it feels. But recently I asked it what is the best way to learn how to edit films, and that's what it says. Number one, practice editing by working on projects of your own or by assisting other editors on professional projects. And I think it stresses the importance of not only working on client projects, but also having projects of your own. Like a short film, mini documentary, could be anything, like a YouTube video, as long as you try to tell a story. Okay, number two, study different editing techniques and styles by watching and analyzing a wide variety of films. And it has been an advice I have been given by editors actually and by filmmakers. Like study other films. Good advice. Number three, take classes or workshops on film editing and consider earning a degree or certification in the field if you wish to pursue a career as a professional editor. And with the last line, to be honest, I don't agree. I've talked to a number of top tier editors on Cut Reveal podcast that I do with Ricardo Cozzolino, right? And a few of them told us that they were never even asked about either they have a degree or not. But taking classes, taking workshops, of course, is something that is gonna be very helpful. And there are a lot of great resources like Film Editing Pro, this guy edits GoToEditor. Obviously, I try to add to that with the Editing Chef, which has slightly different focus. We all have pressing matters, things that we have to address as soon as possible. Finding that time for education, for learning something new, for honing a skill is extremely important. Which brings me to some exciting updates about what's going on in the Editing Chef. So first of all, very soon we're gonna start a series of 6 live sessions where we'll be editing a scene from a short film together. The first 2 sessions are absolutely free of charge. All you have to do is register under the link in the description. However, if you want to have access to all of the film dailies we'll be using, which by the way, once you cut into a scene, you can even use it in your own editing reel. Then you have to be enrolled in the Editing Chef or into the community if you don't need the full package. Right now, I'm in the middle of changing platforms for where I'm hosting the course. So actually, this is an opportunity for you to get sections of the course for a fraction of the price. For example, if you only care about project organization or about the editing productivity aspect, you can get those standalone sections. And last but not least, today I'm releasing a mini course about using AI tools for editors. So if you feel behind with this AI trend, this is probably something that will be very beneficial to you. It also includes a 1-page PDF with some advice on how to get better results when using ChatGPT and Midjourney. So once again, all of the links in the description. Please do register for the live sessions where we'll be editing a scene from a short film Ashes together. It's completely free of charge and it's gonna be good. Have a good week, everyone. Let me know what is the last film that you really enjoyed in the comments. Until the next time, bye.